You are not moving through time. Time is moving through you, and out there in the dark, it behaves in ways that defy everything your gut tells you. One of the facts on this list means a future civilization will look up at the sky and have no way to prove the universe ever had a beginning. That one is number 5, and it is not even the worst. So let us count down 15 strange truths about time, each one stranger than the last. The last one rearranges something in your head for good. Number 15. Your now is already the past. Light is fast, but it is not instant. So everything you see happened a little while ago. The moon you see is over a second old. The sun is 8 minutes gone. Your brain also lags a fraction of a second behind reality while it stitches the world together. You have never once experienced the present moment. You live permanently a step behind a universe that already moved on. Number 14. When you look up, you are looking into the deep past. The night sky is a museum. Some of those stars are so far away that their light took thousands of years to reach you. A handful of them burned out long ago. You are looking at light from things that no longer exist, and you have no way to know which ones. The sky is full of light from the dead, and it still shines. Number 13. Moving clocks run slow. This is not a trick, it is measured every day. The faster you move, the slower your time ticks compared to someone standing still. Astronauts on the space station age a tiny bit slower than we do. Fly fast enough and you could leave for a short trip and come home to find decades have passed for everyone you love. Speed is a one-way door into the future. Number 12. Gravity slows time too. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. Our GPS satellites sit in weaker gravity than the ground, so their clocks tick faster than ours. Engineers must correct for it every second. Skip that correction and your phone map would drift miles off within a single day. The ground beneath you is dragging on time itself, and you never feel it. Number 11. The center of the Earth is younger than the surface. Follow that gravity rule down. Deep in the core, gravity is more intense, so time has run slower there for billions of years. Add it all up, and the core of our planet is roughly 2.5 years younger than the crust. The planet is not one single age. The world under your feet is literally made of different ages stacked together. Number 10. There is no universal now. Picture two people. One sits still, one races past in a ship. Each carries a watch, and to each of them their own watch is perfectly normal, while the other, one runs wrong. Ask them which of two distant events happened first, and they can give opposite answers and both be correct. The word now has no fixed meaning across the universe. Reality has no shared heartbeat. Everyone is sealed inside their own slice of time. Number 9. The length of a day is not fixed. The moon is slowly drifting away from us, and as it goes, it drags on our spin. Every century, the day stretches a little longer. The dinosaurs lived through days that were less than 23 hours long. The clock on your wall is a different length than the one their world ran on. Even the turning of the planet is quietly winding down. Still with me? Good. Because from here, the facts stop being strange and start being final. Number 8. Near a black hole, time nearly stops. Get close to one, and time slows so hard it bends belief. An hour spent near a massive black hole could equal years back home. You would feel nothing strange. Your watch ticks normally to you, but the whole universe outside would be racing ahead, aging and dying while you barely move. Number 7. You can be frozen at the edge forever and never know it. Watch someone fall toward a black hole and they never seem to arrive. To you, they slow stretch, redden, and freeze at the edge, hanging there for what looks like eternity. But to them, nothing odd happens, they fall right in. Two truths exist at once. From outside, you are a still figure at the edge of forever. From inside, you are already gone. This is where time stops behaving like a simple clock. Everything until now still had a place for us in it. From here on, the universe stops needing us at all. Number 6. The universe is erasing the evidence of its own past in real time. Space is expanding and the expansion is speeding up. Distant galaxies are racing away faster every year. One by one, they will cross a line where their light can never reach us again. The sky is slowly emptying out, and once a galaxy slips over that edge, it is gone from view for the rest of time. The window we have to see the wider universe is closing while we watch. Number 5. Future astronomers likely could not prove the Big Bang ever happened. Here is the loop I opened at the start. Follow that expansion forward. In the far future, every galaxy outside our own will have raced beyond reach. A civilization born then will look up and see only a few nearby stars and total black beyond. They would find it nearly impossible to know the universe was ever bigger or that it had a beginning at all. The single biggest event in history would be sitting just out of reach of anyone who came too late. We may be living in the brief window where the truth is still visible. If you have made it this far, the next 4 facts are the ones that unsettled the scientists who found them. Number 4. The last star will die. Stars need gas to form, and the gas is running out. In about 100 trillion years, the final stars will flicker and fade, and no new ones will form. After that, no new suns. No new light, just cooling embers drifting in the dark. The age of stars is a brief flash, and we are living right inside it. Soon, on a cosmic scale, the lights go out, and they do not come back on. Number 3. Even matter may have an expiration date. Give the universe enough time and the protons inside ordinary matter may slowly decay. Atoms, planets, the cold remnants of dead stars, all of it could break down into faint radiation. Nothing solid left anywhere. No worlds, no dust, no structure. We have never caught a proton dying, so this one is still unproven. But if it holds, then the very stuff of existence has a shelf life and time is the thing that runs it down. Number 2. The universe is heading for heat death. Everything that happens needs a difference in energy, hot flowing to cold. But the universe is slowly evening out. One day, it reaches a single uniform cold with no difference left anywhere. And with no difference, nothing can ever happen again. No usable energy, no light, no change. The universe does not end in fire, it ends in a stillness that settles over stars, galaxies, and matter alike and never lifts. And now number 1. The most unsettling fact about time is that it runs in one direction only and it will never let anything come back. You can move left or right, up or down. You can return to any place you have ever stood, but you can never move backward through time even 1 second. Every moment you live slips permanently into the past the instant it passes. The version of you that started this video has already moved on and you will never reach it again. Entropy, the slow slide from order into disorder, gives time its single direction, and that direction points only one way toward the quiet end. The universe is a story with no rewind, and we are all being carried steadily toward that final, still chapter. So look at a clock now. It is not measuring your day, it is counting in one direction only toward a silence that settles over stars, galaxies, matter, and meaning. Time was moving through you when this video began. It still is, and it is not slowed down once. Your now is already over.